Hi everybody, Bobby here from DobroSKILLS.net. Very exciting news to share with everyone. I'm kind of doing a little bit of a pivot here online. So if you've been a fan of the YouTube videos, you've seen me do some Excel videos, and Excel is still my passion. I love doing Excel, but I'm going to pivot to another one of my teaching passions, CPR. So I just became an LLC, and here in Aurora, Illinois and surrounding suburbs, I'll be offering CPR, first aid, AED, and basic life support classes to the general public and private entities that want private classes. So feel free to go to our new website, DobroSKILLS.net, and see what we're all about. I'll be occasionally doing some Excel videos every so often, but our focus will be more CPR, first aid, and AED. I am an American Red Cross licensed training provider, so I'll be providing courses from the American Red Cross. So thank you so much. I'm very excited to this new opportunity, and I hope if you're in the area that I can come and schedule you guys, and maybe sometimes too if you're a fan of the Excel videos, I'll do a couple more Excel videos as well, or maybe some Google Sheets videos. Thank you so much and have a great day.